Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Garden Line. In specific video I'm going to tell you about flower garden. As you know, in previous video I discussed tropical garden, so you can watch that video. So let's get started. Flower garden without more waste of time. A flower garden or floral garden is any garden or a part of garden where the plants that flower are grown and displayed. This is normally referred mostly to herbaceous plant rather than flowering woody plants which dominate the shrubbery and woodland garden. Although both these types may be part of planting in any area of garden. Most herbaceous flowering plants, especially annuals, grow the best in flower bed with soil that is regularly dug over and supplemented with organic matter and fertilizer. Because flowers bloom at varied times of year and some plants are annual dying each winter. The design of flower garden usually need to take into consideration and maintaining a sequence of bloom and consistent color combination through varying season beside organizing the flowers in bedding out schemes limited to annual and perennial flower beds. Carefully designed also takes labor time and color pattern of flowers into account. Flower color is important feature of both herbaceous border and mixed border that include shrub as well as herbaceous plant. Flower gardens are sometimes tied in function to other kinds of gardens like knot garden or herb garden. Many herbs also having decorative function and some decorative flower being edible. So let's talk about their history. Many of not most plants considered decorative flowers originated as weed which is effective would sometimes be tolerated by farms because of their appeal. This led to artificial selection process producing ever prettier flowers. This is thought to have occurred for entire history of agriculture, perhaps even slightly earlier when people tended to favor naturally occurring food gathering spots. This may also explain why many flowers function as companion plants to more useful agriculture plants. They had evolved that symbiotic relationship with the food plants before either were domesticated and therefore was found in same area. Convenient to be selected as an attractive plant. Once domesticated, though most flowers were grown either separately or as a part of garden having some other primary function. In the West, the area parts of garden dedicated to flowers perhaps they had not been common until 16th century. Flower gardens are a key factor in modern landscape design and even architecture, especially for large businesses. Some of the which pay to large flower gardens torn out and replaced entirely each season in order to keep the color pattern consistent. The labor time can be decreased by using techniques such as mulching. In flowers meadows, grass growth can be moderate by planting parasitic plants such as Rhinaceae. So, cutting garden, a functional garden used to grow flower for indoor use rather than outdoor display is known as cutting garden. It is usually only feature of large residency. So the cutting garden is typically placed in 14 and sunlight position out of public view and it artistically arranged. So thank you guys for watching my video. Stay tuned for another video.